Elephants secretly communicate underground. This giant animal remembers everything.
For thousands of years, elephants have ruled the wilds and plains of Africa's. What Telegrants Graves.
People say elephants never forget, and it's true.
They can remember locations, faces, and even dangerous places for many years.
This incredible memory helps entire elephant families survive.
Elephants have a hidden language. They communicate.
Faraway African elephants reacting to vibrations. Dramatic storytelling using deep vibrations traveling through the ground. These low-frequency tremors signal danger.
Sounds can travel for kilometers, completely invisible to humans.
An elephant's trunk is one of the most powerful tools in nature.
It contains over 40,000 muscles, allowing elephants
to lift giant logs or tiny objects with perfect precision.
Elephants are not just strong, they are deeply emotional.
They feel happiness, fear, sadness, and even grief, but together they find comfort. When one elephant dies, the herd often mourns together.
a mother elephant will risk everything for her child.
Their family bond is one of the During droughts, elephants become heroes of the wild. Using their incredible senses, they can locate hidden underground water sources.
At night, elephant families travel.
Elephants are among the smartest animals on Earth. They can solve problems, use tools. And even recognize themselves in mirrors.
But despite their greatness, elephants face terrible danger.
Ivory's in the truck by dawn.
Across the world, people are fighting to protect
gentle giants. Because losing elephants
would mean losing part of nature itself.
Massive yet gentle, powerful yet emotional, elephants are far more than animals.
They are guardians of the wild, carrying secrets older than humanity itself.
So tell me, are elephants just giants or one of Earth's greatest miracles?
Which elephant fact shocked you the most?